For Washington homeowners, safety is one of the most important aspects of homeownership. From protecting your family to safeguarding your belongings, your home should feel like a secure retreat. While many people invest in alarm systems and cameras, one of the simplest and most effective security upgrades is often overlooked: replacing your old door. A new, professionally installed door can drastically improve your home's security while also enhancing comfort and style. Here's how. Stronger materials for better protection. Older doors, especially those made of hollow wood or thin materials, can weaken over time. These doors are easier to force open, making them a target for intruders. Modern replacement doors, however, are designed with durability and strength in mind. Steel doors provide superior resistance against forced entry. Fiberglass doors combine durability with resistance to warping or cracking. Solid wood doors offer a classic look with reliable sturdiness. By upgrading to a door made from stronger materials, Washington homeowners gain peace of mind knowing their entryway is built to withstand attempts at break-ins. Reinforced frames and locks. The frame and locking system are just as important as the door itself. Over time, wooden frames can weaken, and outdated locks may not provide adequate protection. Modern doors often feature reinforced frames that resist prying or splitting, multi-point locking systems that secure the door at multiple points along the frame, smart lock compatibility for added convenience and control. These upgrades make it much harder for intruders to exploit weak points, significantly improving overall home security. Impact-resistant glass options. Many Washington homeowners choose entry doors with glass panels for added style and natural light. While beautiful, glass can sometimes be a security concern. Today's new doors, however, offer impact-resistant or laminated glass that is far tougher than traditional single-pane options. Laminated glass remains intact even if shattered. Double or triple pane inserts add both security and insulation. Decorative glass designs can provide beauty without sacrificing strength. This means you can enjoy the light and elegance of glass without compromising security. Improved weather seals add security too. While weatherproofing may not sound like a security feature, it plays a key role. Old doors often have gaps and worn seals that not only let in drafts but also weaken the overall door structure. New doors are equipped with tight weather stripping and precise installation that ensure a snug fit. These upgrades not only keep Washington's rain and cold air outside but also make it harder for intruders to tamper with or force open your door. Smart security integration. Today's homeowners are embracing technology to enhance safety. Many new doors are designed to work seamlessly with smart locks, video doorbells, and home security systems. Unlock your door remotely from your smartphone. Get instant alerts if someone tampers with your entry. Integrate with your alarm system for added layers of protection. This level of control and monitoring provides Washington families with peace of mind, whether at home or away. Added value and curb appeal. Security improvements aren't just about protection, they also enhance your home's value. Buyers in Washington appreciate homes with strong, modern entry doors that look great and provide safety. By upgrading, you not only protect your family but also increase curb appeal and resale potential. Final thoughts. Your front door is more than just an entryway, it's your home's first line of defense. For Washington homeowners, installing a new door means stronger materials, advanced locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and even smart technology integration. Together, these features create a safer, more secure living environment. If your current door is old, worn, or no longer reliable, now is the time to consider an upgrade. With professional installation, a new door can transform your Washington home into a safer, more welcoming place for your family.